Nestled in the tranquil landscape of Khao Yai, this stunning villa offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Designed to cater to both personal retreats and special events, the villa seamlessly blends into its natural surroundings while offering a luxurious and inviting ambience. The villa's unique location, situated on a lower elevation, necessitated a creative solution for the construction. By repurposing excavated stones as a retaining wall, the architects were able to elevate the building site and create a more visually appealing and functional space. The villa's design is characterized by a minimalist aesthetic, with clean lines and a focus on natural materials. The open-plan living space on the first floor is bathed in natural light, thanks to floor-to-ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of the surrounding hills. The terrace, which extends the living space outdoors, is perfect for relaxation, dining, and entertaining. The upper floor houses the private quarters, including 2 bedrooms and a luxurious bathroom with an indoor bathtub. A separate party space with 2 bedrooms is ideal for accommodating larger groups. The rooftop terrace, accessible from both bedrooms, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and is the perfect spot for a wedding ceremony or a quiet evening under the stars. The villa's exterior is finished with a textured plaster wall, which serves as a blank canvas for various decorations and can even be used as a projector screen for outdoor movie nights. The interior features a blend of natural wood and black accents, creating a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere. This stunning villa is not only a beautiful and functional space, but also a testament to the power of thoughtful design to enhance our connection with nature.